Yo, what's up? This your boy Sergeant Millie, aka 173rd Turd that never jumped out of the bird. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use your military discount on Nike.com. It's 10%, but you know, you can't beat that, so it's better than nothing, right? So without further ado, let's go to this link right here. I'm gonna leave it in the description box, so look out for that. It'll take you to this page right here. Blah, 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 blah. Go right here. Click that. After that, you'll come to this page right here where you got to put in your information. And voila, there you have it. Your promo code you have to put in to receive the 10% discount at checkout. So you copy this code right here. Don't try to use this code because it's probably going to expire, but you can do what you want. I don't care. Click here. So go back to your shopping cart. After you're done shopping, it'll take you to this page, the checkout page. So say I want to buy my son these shoes right here. Cost $70. Grand total is $74.90. Come back over here. I'm gonna paste that promo code I got from that website. Put that there. Click apply. Let's go up. And boom, 10% off. Grand total is going to be $67.41. That's how you do it. Mind you, this is not going to be working on all the items, so be careful and be aware. So I would like to thank you for checking out my video. Subscribe to the channel, like my video, and comment if you have any questions. The website is going to be, well, the link is going to be in the description box. Please feel free to use it and shop till you drop. Until then, bye.